So if you were looking at coming to Penang, Malaysia for a holiday, I thought I'd show you where we're staying. We've been here a few days now, and I just wanted to make sure that we were happy with it before I did a video, but we would definitely come back here again. We're not getting paid, or there's no collaboration to say anything good about this place. I just do a video on a place if I would come back here and stay again. So we're at Batu Ferringhi Beach, and we were staying just directly over the road from the little grocery mart over there. You've got McDonald's over the back and a 7-Eleven just down that little street there, a chemist shop so you can get your sunscreen, and in that direction, about 5 minutes walk, is a food hall, and it's really good food. We've been there a couple of times so far. We had fish and chips. I had fish and chips last night. A lot of fish, chips and coleslaw, and it was like $6.50 Australian, 18 ringgit. My wife had, Adele had chicken cashew with rice, and it was 24 ringgit. And homemade lemonade, that was 4 ringgit, and it was really nice. So yeah, you're in a good spot here. So I'll show you where we're staying. We're staying at the Golden Sands Resort, run by Shangri-La. And as you can see, we've got Christmas at the moment, so they've got all their Christmas decorations. But we'll head in and have a look around. Got our centre up the top there. So we were coming in the other day, and I'll stick a video over top, but just up here, a monkey and her baby shot up the tree there. So you've got monkeys around the place. There is a warning on your sliding door to keep your doors closed in case the monkeys come in and help themselves. But yeah, have a look at this. They've done a really nice job on the decorations for Christmas. Just in there is where you get your breakfast, and I won't show you where the breakfast, but it is a good breakfast, pretty much like everywhere else. So definitely worth paying for the breakfast. But you've got an open style resort, but we might whip in this way. Morning. There is a kids swimming pool and stuff, so there are quite a few kids here. But they have a kids lounge. I won't show you in there because there's heaps of kids. There's a kids lounge just in there, just right in there, but I won't show them there. There's heaps of kids playing in there. Aircon. And I think there's a gym just around the corner here. There's a few shops. And we've got a gym if you're that way inclined to work out. We take a holiday and stay away from the gym, but there's a few weights in there that you can load up. Shoulder press, chest press, that pull down. You get a little bit of a workout in. So, and we're right on the beach. So let's head outside and have a look at the pool area. But I'll just tell you about the breakfast. It has everything you need. You've got your egg station, a couple of those coffee making machines. They cater pretty much for all nationalities on what type of breakfast you have, hot and cold. But yeah, we'll head outside. Now I booked a room that didn't face the beach, but when we got here, they talked us into upgrading, and it was only another, worked out to be 20 Australian dollars a night, so 5 nights here, $100, and it's well worth it. So you'll get the you'll get one of those rooms up there facing the pool and the beach, which is really nice. So we'll have a look through here. This is the kids playground area. We won't show that too much, but as you can see, there's plenty of sun lounges. There's a towel station, so you get all your towels. One of the adult pools, and from what I saw, I think it said 3 meters deep, so that's pretty deep. Then a couple of slides for the kids in a splash zone. You can buy your slushies and things from in here. At the pool, I think it's 1.5 metres deep, that pool, and they have guards on duty at all the pools. And don't worry, they'll whistle at you if you're playing up. So if you do stay here, well, it is December, so there's plenty of kids, but I think if you stayed outside the school holidays, you'd be fine. But the kids are pretty well behaved because the guards whistle at them. So you've got a free pool table here and a bar. Happy hour between 5 and 7, so you get 2 drinks for the price of 1. Still reasonably priced, so still pretty high priced. So 2 for 1 makes it a little easier to stomach. But you've got a upstairs area there and a restaurant at night. And a lot of grass with no prickles, so you can walk around in your bare feet. You got water sports out the front. There's the jet skis and parasails and all the usual stuff, but it's not too noisy. It sort of just blends into the background. You might be able to hear the jet ski there. You can get a massage on the beach. When you're in the resort, these guys will come over, probably only once they've asked you to see if you want to go out in the jet ski, but they're all very polite. English is good. So if you're not interested, just say no thanks and they'll be on their way. And there's a foot therapist, or a couple of them walking around, and they are happy to do. Oh, there's a lady there doing a massage right there. I'm not sure what they charge, but yeah, it's they're sort of based in here, and they don't get grumpy if you say no. And you're right out onto the beach here. So let's have a quick look. And the water's December. The water's really warm. But there is a sign to say watch for the jellyfish. I don't know if there are any at this time of year, but there's always something that can get you anywhere you go. There's the owl hiding over there in the shade. Morning, mate. No, thanks. No, thank you. Yeah, so he just said, he just gave me a wave, no problem. You can get the sponges here, over in the corner over there somewhere, to make your sun lounging much more comfortable. But yeah, it's a very nice, relaxed place to stay if you decided to stay. There she is hiding over there with her drink. So we'll add the stick around. We'll add the tour of the room when we first arrived, because it's a bit of a mess now. And I'll throw any other footage in I can of around at night, because it does look very nice at night. There's a lot of you can see all these lights, so they make it look really nice at night. So yeah, if this has helped you in any way, thanks for watching. And we're about to wander around down the beach, so stick around and keep an eye out for that video coming up, and we might take a quick look into Georgetown as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one. All right, over there, Grandma.
Thank you.
Yeah. We'll show you the room before we mess it up. Is that passable?
Wow.
It's not too bad really, is it?
No, this is spectacular. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this is.
Right, we're just going to have a look at the room.
Wow.
King bed. I need to put this in.
Okay.
I think I need to put the card in so we can see what we're doing. It's the standard double sink. Decent chair with a seat for us old people. Got the safe, don't normally trust them too much. This is the fridge. The jug. Oh yes, very nice room. Didn't see this before. Black tea, jasmine green tea. Oh, the coffee mate.